If it is said that the bearing of point B from point A is 50 degree, then first the from point, which is A here, and we draw a line. So this is north. 50 degree B, the bearing of B is 50 degrees, so it goes from here clockwise 50 degree. So depending the distance is given or not given, but this is the direction of B. Similarly, if it is said the bearing of point C is 100 degree from B, then it will be like this, going from that, which is again north, 100 degree, that means this is 90 and 10. So this means the bearing of C is 100 degree from B. So this is how we define bearing. Another point can be said to be D, which has a bearing of say 120 degree from A. So D 120 degree this direction, so that will be 90 here and 30 more, so something like that. This is D. So I will do a bearing problem. The problem goes something like this. A ship starts from point O, and two ships actually starts from point O. One goes at a bearing of 280 degree and another goes at a bearing of 160 degree. So 280 degree means, so 90 here up to here, this is 180, up to here this is 270, so 280 is something like that. So this ship goes this direction, another ship goes 160 degree, that means little less than, so it goes here. So this is B, this is A. Also it is said that the speed of B is half of the speed of A. So after 1 hour they are in this position, and the distance between A and B is 40 kilometers. So AB is 40 miles. So the distance is 40 miles, and speed of OA is twice of the speed of A is twice of the speed of B. So if OB is x mile, OA is 2x mile. So this is the position after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, if this has gone at a speed of x mile, it will go x mile, and this one will go, OA will go 2x mile. And we have to find the speed of each of the ship. So what we can do, we have this information, so we can use in triangle OAB. So I will just, this is A, this one is B. So in OAB I can write the cosine formula. So AB square is equal to 2x whole square, which is let's write OA square plus OB square minus 2OA into OB cos of angle AOB. Now angle AOB is definitely, this one is 280 degree and this one is 160 degree. So this angle is 280 minus 160, which is, so 280 minus 160 is 120 degree. This is angle AOB. This whole angle is 280 and this one is 160. So okay, we have that information. We know how much AB is, which is 40 square. Let me use go back to black again. 40 square here. This one is 2x whole square, so 4x square, plus this one is just x square. This one is negative 2 into 2x into x into cos of 120 degree. So this is 5x square minus 4x square. Cos 120 degree is a negative half, because cos is negative in the second quadrant, and we can also write like cos. We can use actually a calculator, but I can show this logically. 90 plus 30, which is a negative sine 30, which is negative half. So this one becomes 5x square half plus 2x square, which is 7x square. So x becomes, if I divide it, if I do the calculation, it becomes something like 15.12 mile. Okay, I will erase few parts. So I have this speed, speed of OB is 15.12 mile per hour, while speed of OA will be just twice of that, so that's 30.24 approximately miles per hour. Now this is the answer, but we can find these two angles as well using sine formula, so let's do that. So OA over this angle, let's call it sine B, is equal to AB over this angle, which is sine 120 degree. That's from the sine formula of using in triangle. So in triangle AOB, using sine rule. So that gives me, sine B is unknown, so sine B is OA over AB to sine 120. So OA is 30.124, AB is 40, sine 120 degrees root 3 over 2, which is like 0.66. So if I do this calculation, I think the approximate result is 40.89 approximately. So this angle, so this is this angle, which is 40.89 approximately. So I can find this other angle from the triangles 180 minus 40.89, because the sum of the triangle is 180 degree and this one is 120. So if I do this, I will get angle A, which comes like 19.10, 19.11 sort of, because if I do this subtraction. Also it could be found from using sine law again, using instead of, so here sine law OB and then sine A, so that would become here sine A will OB, and this would become 15.12, so that would yield this result. So I've just done that. I will erase this part. So yeah, that's what it is. All the arms and the angles are found. distance. So OB is actually 15.12 mile, because this is not the speed. The speed of B is 15.12 mile per hour, and distance OA is 30.24 mile. So speed of B and A respectively 15.12 and 30.24 miles per hour, and also root 3 over 2 is 0.866, so this one is 0.866.